Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox EcoWatt Plus 1050 inverter of Luminous company friends. This is having volt ampere rating of 900 volt amperes and active power rating of 756 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 3 lights, 3 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the higher loads, please go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter friends. Okay, the load that you are going to connect must be less than the active power rating of the inverter friends. This is best suitable for banks, homes, shops, etc. friends. The reason that you must connect the connector load of less than active power rating of inverter is, for example, assume that you have connected the load of 800 watts for this inverter. If the power cuts, then if you switch on all the loads connected to the inverter, as you connected 800 watts of connector load, then it is going to get overloaded. So at that moment, it is going to trip your MCB. Make sure that you have connected the connector load of less than the active power rating of the inverter friends. If you want load power calculations, please let me know friends, so that we will come up with the video. This is the square wave inverter. So this is best suitable for the villages, more voltage drops, areas and more time power cuts or frequent power cuts. If you want to know the reason, go with the previous video of inverter guidelines in my channel friends. Okay, that is comparison between sine wave inverter and square wave inverter. Okay, and this inverter is having charging current of 17 amperes friends, so you can charge your battery faster. Okay, even the input voltage is as low as 110 volts, you are going to charge your battery friends. That is the advantage of this or special feature. And coming to this is having warranty of 24 months friends. Okay, for this inverter you can select 4 battery types friends, like flat plate, tubular, etc. If there is heat more than the limited, okay, it is going to shut down your inverter friends. This is having DC voltage of 12 volts friends. So this is a single battery inverter. Friends, for more details, please go through the link in the description. Please follow me on Insta. Actually, this 1050 doesn't indicate the volt ampere rating of this inverter. Okay. Here you can see the Sachin Tendulkar friends. He is the brand ambassador of this Luminous company. Friends, here you can see the manufacturing date, month and year. 30 Jan 2020, lot number, product name UPS, model EcoWatt Plus 1050 by 12 volts. On seeing the 12 volts, you can say that this is single battery inverter. Okay, voltage 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity is 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Maximum retail price is of 8,550. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. For customer complaints, you can contact to the number available here. Okay, friends, here you can see the display indications. Mains available: eco mode, UPS mode, battery charging, low battery, overload. Okay, friends, here you can see the warranty. 24 months is available for this product. Friends, over here you can see the display indications of this inverter. This is power on and power off button. This is EcoWatt Plus 1050, model name Luminous company. Mains, charging, eco mode, UPS mode, low battery, overload. Whenever you are taking supply from the mains, it is going to glow this LED. Charging, whenever the charging for the battery taken place, it is going to glow. Eco mode, UPS mode, you can select any of the mode based on your requirement. If you have computer, you have to select the UPS mode. If you have normal electrical appliances, you can select the eco mode. Whenever there is low battery, it is going to indicate over here. Overload, whenever overload takes place, this LED will glow. Over here you can see the key features. Battery charging commences even at as low as 110 volts mains AC. Even the voltage is of 110 volts also, or 110 volts to 230 volts, it is going to charge the battery. Okay, you can select battery types over here friends. 4 battery types you can select. I will show you right now. Intelligence thermal management system, it is going to shut down the system during overheating friends. Okay, you can select 3 selectable charging currents for this inverter based on the requirement of the quick charging of the battery. Friends, here you can see positive terminal of the battery. This is negative terminal of the battery. Here is the heat sinks. Here you can see UPS mode and eco mode, friends. You can select any of the mode based on the requirement. Okay, here you can see the battery type, friends. You have to select battery type, either tubular, flat, SMF, local. Based on your requirement and based on your selected battery, you have to select that. Friends, here you can see the output of the inverter. Okay, this is the fuse, friends. Whenever overload takes place or short circuit takes place, it is going to go out. So you have to replace it with the new fuse. Here you can see the input of the inverter, friends, 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. Friends, over here you can see model EcoWatt Plus 1050. And input rated voltage is of 220 volts AC, rated current is of 5.64 amperes, frequency is of 50 Hz and single phase, output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC, rated current is of 4.3 amperes, frequency 50 Hz with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz and single phase. Capacity, here you can see the capacity, friends, 900 volt amperes with active power rating of 756 watts. Operating temperature 0 to 45 degrees centigrade, bus voltage is of 12 volts DC, 62 amperes. Here you can see the capacity, friends. I told you I would like to show you. Here you can see 900 volt amperes. Friends, while connecting the battery, you have to maintain the polarity also. Recommended battery for 12 volts, 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. This is the rating of the battery you have to select to the inverter. Friends, for more details, please go through the link in the description. Please follow me on Insta. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. Friends, if you want to buy this product or if you have any doubt regarding this product, please contact to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.